backpackers.
Hello friends, welcome to yet another video of Backpackers. So today we are going to talk about Photowalk. So what is Photowalk? Photowalk is basically a group activity in which some camera enthusiasts or photography enthusiasts come together, walk around, explore some new places and click pictures. So this Photowalk was organized by Mumbai Instagrammers, which is of course an Instagram handle. I'll give the link below. At Versova, which is in Mumbai. So this was the first photo walk for me. Learned a lot of new things, meeting some great photographers, talking about photography. It is always a good experience, and thank you Mumbai Instagrammers for organizing such a great photo walk. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.